Let's go. Okay, guys, welcome back. Trade with Crazii version 10.4 review of the today's general market. Let's go to what we need to do today. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so I already told you what to do just now. So the market's coming down. You do what you do. Yeah, I already informed you already. So I just continue now with my sharing here itself. Okay, so let's look at the market. Okay, a bit of issue here. Yeah, okay, a bit slow down. Not too sure why. Okay, so let's look at the Dow Jones to start off the day with on. Okay, so let's do the today's Dow Jones, yeah? Okay, first of all, guys, let's look at it. The Dow Jones today is very important because you will notice that today the opening price is at 39,036 and what the MLP is 39,457. So which means that the MLP is above you, hence therefore the market will likely be a sell because MLP is on top of you. Number two, you notice that the MA30 is on top of you, which is 40,414. So again, that is a bearish signal. Okay. The third thing to confirm is that do you notice that the KSI has been all the way red recently? And do you notice that the KCX is actually extending its downside itself? So these two combined together is a confirmed sell signal. All right. Then, of course, for those who are tracking with me to do the elephant trade, remember the elephant trade? Well, beautiful guys, you can see that for 5 days in a row, the market go up, right? I understand it's very painful some of you. And then what happened? The market on the last week, the market broke below and closed below the important technical level. All right, and that basically started the elephant trade. And then yes, on Thursday we saw the CCYR and the KSI was great. So you get to see the KCL at 39,225. So again, confirm that as long as the Dow Jones cannot go above 39,225, this will be a very strong sell signal. So with all this thing together itself, right, you add that together, the potential downside today can stretch all the way to 38,277. All right, it is possible. Not saying that it's definitely going there, but it's possible. Sell is confirmed already, but how much and how deep it will go, that one is up to you. So for me, very simple. I already put some profit here to target here. I also aim some here, which is just how I say the KCB at 37,537. Okay, and of course for the fun of it, I added one more TP level just now. I put here as well. Can you see on the screen? The TP level is actually here at 36,468. Because if you notice this, the market here, right, missed the KCB by just a fraction. Because if the market has touched it, right, this KCB color will be violet or it will not be there. But because it missed it by just a hairline, I got this feeling that, the boys will purposely slam dunk it. How do you think? I don't know. So guys, although you may say I'm too pessimistic, but you look at it right now, there's no way America is going to get out of this problem. And the tariff is pushed back by 90 days only. So if the problem is this, the 90 days tariff pushback, the market is not reacting accordingly. So you must understand the very important thing here. Everyone, do me a favor, calculate this with me. Yeah. Okay, so calculate this with me. This number here, let me just show to you. This number here is opening price 37,537, 37537. 37537. So this is the opening price, correct? That was the day when Donald Trump came in and stunned the world. Now the closing price here is 40,776. So here 40,776. So for those who are know me very well, what you do, take these two numbers, add together, then divide by 2. Okay, 40,776 plus 37,537, then plus together first, then divide by 2. What number do you get? Let me know the number right now. Okay, Susan recalculated 39,156. Is that correct? How about the rest of you? Not calculating, waiting for number. Okay, ACS also, ACS boy. Okay, so it's 39,156. Okay, let's do the numbering right now. I will stun you guys with this number, yeah? 39,156, right? We put it in. Okay, let's go. Can you see it right now? So this is what is happening, guys. The market now realized that it's below the 39,156 we just calculated just now, right? So the opening price today, you notice, is actually below. So that means the market now, right, whatever Donald Trump has talked about that from the day here, he said that no, the tariff moved back at 90 days. The market was very happy for the day. Then after that, the market ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. You notice that it stays exactly at this 39,156. But you notice on Friday, on Thursday, the closing itself was actually at 39,225. All right, 225. Familiar, correct, 225. So it's very near to the 156 level. And then what happened? The market now opened and gapped down. So that means, everybody, that means that now the market is not buying into what Donald Trump say already. I repeat, the market is not buying into what Donald Trump say. So this is going to be very bad for him. If the market really cascade downwards, there's only two reasons for that. One, he really do what he need to do is to push the market down to make Federal Reserve cut interest rate. But if let's say they still don't want to cut interest rate, which is very direct, then of course the next thing they will do is to dump the stock market. Okay, so again, all these are extra stuff. I'll let you take a look. But from the gold market, you can see very clear. So gold market now, you can see it's really targeting the 3,400 already. Look at it. Oh my God, this strength is crazy. But wait, Kel, how come the KSI is red? Your indicator spoil? No, guys, I told you before, the KSI itself is just an independent reference point. That means that as the market is climbing here itself, right, the boys are also taking profit on their own. So please remember what I say the next 5 minutes, yeah? Now, we all know that now the dollar is coming down, so that is pushing the gold high. But if what I predict is true, if the stock market gets sell down, the first thing they will dump, it will dump the gold market. So it is very possible that gold may purposely touch the 3,400 level first, and then there could be a massive selling on the gold market if the stock market plunge. All clear? If all clear, press the next number 4 right now, yeah? Remember that I said this accordingly, yeah? First, the goal will go up because it's above OP, above MLP, then above MA30. So these are all very bullish signal. The only thing going against the market now is the KSI being red, which is like, huh? I understand, but doesn't matter. You just have to understand this. So the KCX tell you the boys, the retail are bullish. So the retail are buying, 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 buying. And I really saw some news saying that people are going crazy in some part of India and China buying gold already because somebody say go to 4,000, 5,000, all this usual ethics. So just remember that, yeah. The moment the market go up because of dollar, but the same thing when the dollar start to really go into a crazy mode, it will become a currency that people don't want. And if people don't want, they'll lose faith in the US product, which is namely the US stock market. And the US stock market goes down, people will panic and they will press onto gold. So please remember that. All right, so please remember, because I don't want you to be caught. Because remember, when gold was shooting up this way itself, all right, then after that, there was a very strong reversal. But because that was saved by the KCL back then, so the market rebounded. And a lot of people actually, got, they say, oh, lucky they never got caught in the gold. But the next day, boom, the gold come down. A lot of people got stopped out by that. So I really hope that you don't forget what happened recently and then do the same thing again. We are supposed to buy here based on diamonds. We have purchased it. We're making money. Stick with the flow. So now imagine here it's only 31.50. Today we are now at 33.80. We are $200 higher than the last time. So please be very, very careful. All clear? All clear. Press number 5 right now. Yeah. Okay, I'll do the last one. It's a currency market, and that will end for today's session. Now, Kel, wait a minute. Bitcoin is shooting up. No, why? Why? Of course, you must understand. Now the thing is this: the dollar is plunging. When the dollar is plunging, all the US, what they call related stuff is moving up. So it's normal. So it is very possible to see Bitcoin going up. Hey, wait a minute, Kel. Didn't you say that Bitcoin and the dollar is actually, Bitcoin and Dow Jones are actually same? So why now the thing is that the Dow coming down and the Bitcoin going up, then you are going against what you say? Now, this one thing about trading, guys, you cannot always means 1 + 1 = 2. It's not like that. If it's so simple, then a lot of economies already billionaires, trillionaires already. No. What I'm trying to say is that now, right, because now people are very worried of the dollar, they're dumping the dollar right now. So the only thing they can buy now that is against the dollar as a hedge, they buy Bitcoin. You must understand this is how they're doing. But the same thing again, once they pump the Bitcoin because of dollar fear, and then after that, when they saw it's a lucrative product that they can actually use it to take profit, they will dump back the Bitcoin again. So this is not really the best time to buy Bitcoin unless you don't mind taking risks. So Bitcoin can go how high? Well, based on the thing itself, we can see going to the next KCB, which is here. Let's take a look. Okay, 89,000. So I'm not surprised to see Bitcoin hitting 89,000 later. I'm not surprised, yeah. Because of panic, they will dump. So you see the Dow Jones is falling as we're speaking right now. So this is possible, yeah. So Bitcoin, be careful. Then you can see this inverse pivot breakout method, yeah. So with the market now, MA 200 is on top, MA 30 is the bottom. So that's why the Bitcoin will be marching up towards 89,000. If you want to buy, then just be very careful, yeah. Okay, there's a request to do the euro currency. No problem. Let's do it right now. Well, the Dow is still selling. Now, do note today is post-Easter. So what happened is that the apparently some of the Europe side is not open. Yeah, that's make it even worse. Okay, Europe side not open. That make it even worse. Yeah. Okay, euro currency. Okay. Now, I already told you guys, be careful. Don't short the euro. I told you don't short the euro because I told you, right, because of the dollar crisis. Now, the euro, we have the KSI being red, but you notice the market hardly go down. You notice that? So when KSI red, but the price don't go down, then when the market turns back to green, oh my God, it will shoot one. So true, we thought it shoot up. Today, stop loss being triggered already. So how high can euro go, right? It will be your question. So very simple, bring down the thing. Okay, I just clear my screen away. Now, some of you may not notice this, yeah. If you right click on your MT4 and you click on this, okay, right click on your MT4 and the chart, right click, this version, this Crazii system 10.4, you click on it, right? You will notice there is this thing called show KCB, show pivot. No, you can actually don't show them if you don't like the pivot or KCB, but of course take it there, Okay, so now I'll make a chin smaller. Okay, you notice that, hey, come to no diamond, don't worry, right click, refresh. All right, right click, refresh. Okay, then the diamonds all pop up already. And you can see now the diamonds is actually where? Exactly here, my friend. So this morning itself was a very strong buy on the euro currency because this is a 4 diamond. You put a line over there and that's where you buy instantly this morning. So proven again, our system really works very fine. You just have to follow it. Yeah, it's like we don't have hands to move around. Okay, so how high can euro go? Guys, take a look. Take a look. I show you now. Okay, you can see that the euro all the way to the back already. So you may ask, hey, how come the KCB don't have? Because the thing is this, the KCB only show the last 500 bars now, but we are born and that itself. So what must you do? You must do manual already. No choice. Yeah, manual work. You push the chart backward, okay, and then move it back, okay, until you see here, which is now here. Okay, make it a bit smaller for you. Okay, guys, put a number to it. This number will be 1.15934. 1.15934. Wow. Here. So the market for euro can go all the way here itself. It is actually possible based on KCB. So 1.15934. 1.15934. Okay. All right. Clear? All right. So Iman, hopefully you make your money all the way, hold it until you can see this number. Yeah. Don't short the market. Okay. All right, guys, that will be all for today's sharing. I hope you have heard me loud and clear about today's market and, enjoy the ride later on. This is Kel signing off. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.